Can you tell me again? 你说啊，早上好。Okay. What will you do today? Do you know you're going to do Easter egg hunt? With Kuya Addis and Michi? Can you tell Kuya now where you're going?
Yes, I'm going to go to an Easter egg hunt now, but when I am done eating.
Okay. Everybody's excited. What happened last year during Easter egg hunt?
Did you pick your nose or did you pick eggs?
Eggs! Not nose! Not my nose! That's funny! That's funny!
It's fine.
Hello, hi Kuya. I didn't go to the village. Dito na kayo.
Can you buy me over Look at shadow. Oh yeah, this is shadow.
Oh, they have bright and light
Yes.
I'm gonna fix it muna.
Wait lang. That one is soft. Wait, baby. Wait natin yung name.
Orange.
It's a magic show.
Hi. Okay. You want popcorn?
Which one do you want?
You want popcorn?
My popcorn.
Where? Oh!
And an apple.
Maybe just popcorn.
But here you go. Here you go.
Should I try to
Ngayon
get
ito
seats?
na.
Kasi the magic. May namang magic.
Tsaka you're all the way in the back.
Yeah.
Actually, the kids do sakharap. Si Jot din.
This is our kids, and so of course for the category B and category C got a need for a turn. Okay.
Let's all go. Go, Mina, go.
So please make sure that it is
I know, babe.
enjoy it and enjoy eating.
Yes. Can you count, Mina? How many are they? Can you count, Dan? Only 10, baby. Can you count? Is it 10? Or remove one? Talina to, she gets the big one. Tapos Tanggalin niyo yung small. Ay, sige. Thank you. Okay. Ay, sorry po. Open?
Oh, bigla ka na nagising.
Yes. Can I see what's inside?
I have 3 stars.
Yeah. I'll open the others. Yeah. Ah, fluffy. We can pat it here on the head.
Oh, you go. Can she go there too?
Sige, I'll ask them what they want. Here muna sa rabbit.
I saw.
Yes. No more. Oh, sige. Oh, thank you. Oh. Kids watch.
Nag-bake pa pala sila.
Balik na lang kami. Nasingin ko to.